All right, fine. Do it your way.
So what we doing?
Cleaning up a mess from my mom's car. And waiting for Matt like normal.
It is pretty normal.
Very normal.
What are you doing with Matt?
Not 100% sure. He said he needs some suspension work and some steering work. So I'm not sure what we're doing.
We could get a sponsor from Mountain Dew.
Should.
Oh, good job for bringing your bikes. My kids.
One of the reasons we're late.
It's okay.
Exactly what are we doing?
One of everything.
Oh, sweet. I love those.
1-ton steering. Exhaust from the Y back to the tail
Muffler
end
show
there.
up?
Oh yeah.
I have a muffler even. Sweet.
And then rod ends for sure. And then this whole link and rod ends. We could even completely redo this.
We should.
But I'm thinking right now steering and exhaust is the most crucial thing for me, and then we'll see where we're at.
Alright. Steering and exhaust are fairly simple.
Brought everything except for a couple things that I remembered on the way out.
We can probably make do.
Some shops you got to bring all your stuff. Other shops you can show up a little light and they've got it. This is the shop that you can show up a little light.
Hi, Jamie.
So we brought this peace offering.
That is so funny that you just said that, because he was just putting dews in the fridge and I was like, we need a Mountain Dew sponsor as much as you drink Mountain Dew. And here you did, bring Mountain Dew.
I didn't want to.
Let me tell you why I'm out here at Fab Rats. My shop is full of my Corvair wagon project and I've got to get this done. And Paul said, hey, come up and do it. And that's why we're here.
And because he's really good at it.
Well, yeah. Here's a problem. Both of us are fabricators and engineers, and we have our own styles. So we got to just kind of step back every once in a while and be like, all right, fine, do it your way. If I didn't trust Paul, I wouldn't be here. I would actually leave this if I wasn't even here. I'm just here to help. You're going to see some desperate repairs under there.
I'm seeing them.
Where it pulled into the shop in a mad fury because you got to get it back out to work, and we just did it. We just put it together.
Man, that is a dumb idea. Right on the oil pan.
Where it's almost.
Why would they do that from the factory?
I don't know.
So where are we going to come from? Right there.
Right there. Back. We got to come up with the exhaust as high as possible to this.
Oh yeah.
If we have to notch this, I'm willing to do it because that's my shock bracket that just bolts in. And then we got a tight fit right here.
Where do you want it to exit?
Just right where it's supposed to, right here.
You want it to come clear out the back?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, well, I'm going to get started here. If you,
We'll sawzall the exhaust off this way. Let's see. Nope, that's the right way to have it.
Yeah.
That's where it won't leak, right? See, it won't catch if you go one way.
Yeah.
Those are good ones. That's the whole exhaust system.
The original wasn't going to fit anymore.
Where did you put that cool little exhaust piece?
Right there. Right.
Right there.
I'm wondering if we have to jog that over first.
I love watching
Because this is what we're aiming for.
And then just get on the seat.
So we can kind of be to that side.
What we may end up doing is just going down and bending a piece.
Around.
Where's your muffler? Hold that up where you like it.
It's going to be up here though.
No, you're not taking my bike.
Okay, so I can just cut that and that, weld those two together.
If you want to use those to make it happen, you can.
Yeah, we can just cut those like that. Basically give you a jog. We can make that all happen. And then I'll just cut this right here and put it in line right there.
can harvest that and build a sleeve for it.
Yeah, I'll weld it onto this and. Yep.
Browns, rainbows, cutthroats.
That was precise measurement. I think it's good. Yeah, that's the hot end. Seems like you burn yourself every time.
I have no idea when I'm going to learn about welding. I've been welding since I was like 7, and I've never figured it out. See how straight that looks from back here. Oh, yeah.
You like it? Mm-hmm. Okay. I can make that permanent.
So for those of us that can't figure it out, is it the welding that makes it hot?
I think it's the electricity that makes it warm.
Eesh.
Did you get clear hold of it?
It's not too bad.
Not so
It's not as bad as the time I fell on that one and couldn't get off of it.
No. I could smell you that time. I gotta find another glove. I had a glove. I really spend more time looking for stuff than I do working.
Oh, look at that.
Well, you're exhausted. You have the same amount of exhaust system that you had when you showed up. Now I just got to build this way and
Yeah, we'll start going up and over and...
What are you gonna do for your? You gonna leave this then when you build your other one? Straightforward, so we can come back this way and clear it. Okay. All right.
Nothing's ever final on this Jeep. We just do it to get
I know
by,
that.
and then we do it again.
Okay, Matt. I'm gonna need your expertise on your Jeep. How far up?
Almost touching.
How far up does it go? I mean, how far does your axle travel?
Well, you can see
Does
right there.
Does this hit?
Oh,
Does
yeah.
this bottom out there?
Mm-hmm.
And it's gonna hit here.
Well, it'll be so easy to pull those springs out and cycle it. You got a transmission.
Because you got basically.
Like I said, if we need to cut this off,
we can.
we can.
We're probably gonna need to because my ichrometer says there's more space right there than right there. We can get by there, I think. It's gonna be tight. This seems like it's gonna be safe.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's probably not going to shoot out of there.
I think it'll be okay.
Oh, see, it's going down too. There you go.
Yeah, I'll build it right there.
You've got room.
We can get there. My goal is to make it so you don't notice a new rattle. There's plenty of them. It's a Jeep.
These Toyota guys.
I was about to say, was that a disc?
No, it's just the way they're built.
I was looking at the muffler and there was something red inside there. Pulled it out. It's a magnet. So the jig that they use for that,
They left a magnet.
they left a magnet in that muffler.
You got a free magnet.
Ed stuck it on the door. Ed likes magnets.
Does Ed want this one? I broke it this morning. Nope.
Hey, did you take my drink out of the truck?
Yes, it's in the fridge over there.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
What a nice guy. He put his wife's drink in the fridge.
What we gotta do, cut that directly in half.
Oh, you think?
Yep. Cut it in half, turn it around so it goes up.
You can do that.
There, let's see how that. We need it to come straight out. Like so.
He wants to film.
The film back and figure out exactly where I put my other pair of gloves. They look like these ones. Hey, look at these. I set them in the same place I set
Good
those.
job, Jamie.
Hey Matt, the gloves are found. You can quit looking for them.
Where were they?
Jamie was hiding them the whole time.
Those gloves are a really good idea.
Yeah, when you're working with hot stuff, gloves are pretty awesome. Okay, it's your final say. Do you want that shorter coming down the inside right by your gas tank?
Yeah, I'm gonna want that end a little shorter.
Like that?
Yep. Man, look at all them trophies. I was talking on the way up here how me and Paul are friends and competitors.
Who's better at fabricating, you or Matt?
No, that's an easy question. Me. Look at all those trophies up there, and then compare them to Matt's trophy
Am I gonna have to
collection.
get my trophies out?
Yes. You're gonna have to get your trophies out.
Hey, go over to Easy Does It Racing, watch their videos. They're top performing videos, and some of them that aren't. Somebody wins those shows.
Somebody's in there. But not by much, Matt. Not by much.
No, I didn't deserve it. Oh, look at that.
I miss
you
the
happy
good
with
old
that?
days.
I am. I think we can start. Let's save this one for last.
Yeah.
And
I'm just gonna mark these.
Oh, are you? You're that brave?
I'm that brave.
Okay.
Isn't Matt the one that just like kind of throws it together? And he's worried about Paul marking it?
My ichrometer's better calibrated than Paul's is.
Did you say ichrometer?
Yeah, they're an important part of fabricating. That's gonna weld right together,
Okay.
just like we knew it would. Except I've lost another glove.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I found it.
It's right there.
You can quit looking for it. That's your designated job, Jamie. Just
Track of
Yeah.
keep track of my gloves that I lose during the day. Go with the beat.
Just use your ichrometer.
So this one, the depth is going to be where the marker started.
I'm up and around.
Man, I'm going to have to borrow a pair of gloves.
No, we didn't. We have really nice
I really don't borrow them,
You just lose them?
but I will rent them.
That's it right there.
We got the first try.
Yeah.
Let's pull that out. I'll make it permanent. That's only going to restrict like 10 horsepower.
Yeah, I think we should cut these off.
We can do that.
It's perfect. It's touching everything.
Okay. Okay, leave it where it's at.
Let's listen to it with this on.
Well, let's let it down, listen to it. Wait for it to get into it.
Just reach in there and fire it up. Definitely a full master.
Oh yeah. Colin, what? Whack the throttle a couple of times. More. Hold it like. Okay, kill it. Good. It doesn't get louder.
No, it's quieter.
Yeah.
So I like it.
Let's turn it down. Just slightly.
I will.
Are you guys gonna turn down for what?
Maybe, possibly.
What are you missing now?
Nothing. I'll find it.
Your gloves? Are you kidding me?
Oh my goodness.
Now we've lost the marker.
I think that's exactly where it needs to be.
Jamie.
I found it. It's in my other pocket.
I was like, Jamie, where's the marker?
Got it.
Where's the
I
marker?
can't even find the other gloves, so.
You hold it, and I will weld it. Give her the onion, Colin! Just get quieter.
Okay, kill it. We're just finishing up the exhaust. So the Jeep had a stock hanger right here. It's been long gone. So now we're gonna make something else work.
So you get it where you like it and I'll tack it.
I'm there.
I just made this because that's a Toyota part.
Oh.
Those little lock.
Yeah.
We'll watch.
They say
Do a little jig, Matt.
the exhaust dance. That's my happy dance, but the exhaust is done.
Okay, and scene.
And C.
He's ruining her shot.
Quiet on the set.
Okay, go.
So. Do you know how to turn this off?
No. Let's see. I think it's that.
Oh, the on off.